Welcome back to Primetime Sports Monday. Now with his emotional home farewell now complete, the legendary Usain Bolt has his sights firmly fixed on ending his career with a bang. But like it was 5 years ago when a major event was held in London, another Jamaican is lurking dangerously. That story in tonight's Racers Grand Prix review.
When Usain Bolt crossed the line first at the JN Racers Grand Prix on Saturday night, he was doing so for the 17th time over 100 meters at the National Stadium. But according to Bolt, the race was one of his worst, not just in Kingston, but anywhere.
My execution was poor, my start was poor as always. I think in the last bit I kind of lost it a little bit, but it's my first race. I didn't expect anything spectacular. It's my first race back since January when I ran a 150 and on some relays in Australia. So I didn't expect anything spectacular. I just wanted to come out here, stay injury free, put on a show for the crowd and for just to show them thanks for the support for the years.
And with that segment of his amazing journey out the way, Bolt is now focused on August's World Championships in London, and he maintains he will not change his mind about doing just the 100 meters there.
Definitely now. It'll just be the 100. I know a lot of people really want to see me run it, but the 100 will be the one. I know people definitely want to see that also. So I'm just going there to do my best as always and to come through victorious as always.
That should be taken as a strong warning to the rest of the world. And a strong warning to his training partner Johan Blake, who seems to be growing in confidence. Now, the only time Bolt lost at the National Stadium over 100 meters, it was to Blake at the 2012 Olympic trials. And with talks of him getting back to his best, he could be challenging in London like he did in 2012. But first, the 27-year-old will have to get past the national trials.
Trials, going through the rounds, I'll be much better. You know, feeling pretty confident. You know, feeling pretty relaxed and listen to my coach. You know, coach has been working along with me and my technique is, as you can see, is getting better each time.
And you know Blake is super confident when he speaks like this about what events he will run.
About the 100 and 200, if I feel good, I take the 4 as well.
The National Senior Championships will be held June 22 to 25 at the National Stadium. Ricardo Chambers, TVJ Sports.